So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how we handle large diameter logs and turn them into firewood without breaking our back and breaking every lifting rule possible. When the blocks get too big to lift on the splitter, this is an option that makes sense. If you've got a tractor with a loader, then it's going to work just fine. Some of these logs are monsters. This one 25 inches in diameter. There's another one on the other side, 27 inches in diameter. Lots over there that are in the 20s. I do have a vertical ram splitter, so it can split wood as it lays on the ground, but with that I'd still have to roll these big bruisers over, and that's quite a bit of work. And we do have the loader tractor, so that's where something called a cutting table comes in, and it's over here. I just want to show it to you. I got the idea from a friend of mine, John Turner. He's made up a really nice one with removable slats, and it's 8 feet long, and I'll build one like that sometime soon, but I've got these big logs and I need to deal with them now before I have time to make a proper cutting table. So I made one. When I showed someone a photo of this, they said, "Hey, that looks like a Flintstones car," and it kind of does actually, as you'll see. 2 big logs for the base, some smaller logs for the table, and this is how we use it. The bucket on my tractor is about 6.5 feet wide inside, so I'll cut some of these monsters 6 feet long, scoop them up into the bucket, drive around here, put them down on the cutting table, and I'm splitting wood 24 inches long, so just cut these logs into thirds. But the main thing is, they're now up high. The loader has done us that favor, so it's just a matter of rolling them around, which is enough work on its own, really. But as you'll see, enormously less work than trying to pick up these big logs and put them on the splitter. So the process starts by me measuring a log 6 feet long, then I cut it with a chainsaw, come along, scoop it up with the loader, drop it in position here. I don't bother cutting the blocks until I've rolled the whole 6-foot log close to the splitter, as you can see, and then it's a simple matter of just rolling it onto the splitter. I have a few wood splitters. This is the one I use most often. It's not a hydraulic splitter, it's what they call an inertia splitter. So the motor drives, in this case, 2 75-pound flywheels that engage the mechanism for pushing the, I guess you'd call it a ram, pushing an arm forward to split the wood. Total cycle time, as you'll see, from start to finish in one cycle is about 2 or 3 seconds. So it's very fast. It's my weakest splitter. The hydraulic ones have more strength than this, but for most of the wood we're processing, this is the one we use, and it works like a charm. We've done hundreds of cords with this, and it works really great. Now, after the splitting, to keep things as simple as possible, we have the tractor next to the splitter. It's a monster bucket I've got on that thing. It'll hold, I don't know, hold about half a cord of wood, 24-inch wood, so it'll hold an awful lot. And then we're free to drive that wood around. We're stacking it near the boiler right now. Sometimes we're burning it directly out of the bucket too, depending on the situation. If you have any questions about cutting firewood or anything else to do with hands-on living, click the link down below to go to the Bailey Line Road VIP community, and you'll get lots of answers, content, and everything you need to succeed with your hands-on life.